You've tried, maybe even multiple times. Courses, YouTube tutorials, ebooks, but nothing sticks. Why? Because you've been left alone with too much info and no real direction. The truth? Coaching works, but most programs charge thousands and still leave you doing all the heavy lifting. That's why this one stands out. It includes 100% free expert coaching, and 98% of the setup is done for you. If you feel like courses don't work for me, you're not alone. Most people don't need more info. They need direction, support, and a clear path. Mentorship is the missing piece. What if someone helped you launch, instead of leaving you stuck in learning mode? That's what this system offers. Real support, pre-built infrastructure, a clear path to income. Motivation fades when results feel out of reach. But when you're making progress with help, and your first commissions start rolling in, you stay motivated, because now it's real. No more solo struggle, no more guesswork. Click the link below to watch the free training and finally get started the right way.